Dit is Jacobien. Oh, elastiekjes ben weggeknapt. Maar Jacobien moet haast smieten. Ze dript al helemaal langs haar benen. Dus nog even. Dan komt het voeltje eruit. Het is nog wel strak. Ja. Over 8 dagen is ze uitrekken. I closed the wire. Now I have to take the Frisian horses back inside. And here is Daisy. Come. They have to go that way, otherwise the Frisian horses can't go inside. Come. Glendy, hello? Well, I think I let them outside. They're quiet. Here they are. Wou je naar binnen of net? Hey Uniek. Hi. Hey. Uniek. She's still the queen. Sally has to go away for her. Hey, Wunder. Hey. Well, I think I let them outside. It's raining, but it's not cold. The wind is not too hard. And the last days it was very hot, so I think they like it, a bit of rain. Oh, Unique says to Sally, go away. But I'm going to eat and I'm going to edit, and after that I make something for Unique and I give it her tonight, I think. There's a car driving by. Oh, Daisy and Bjarni. Hey Rijntje. Hey. Hallo. Hey Sally. Hi. It's just a car. Hey, Wunder. Daisy. En Glendy. Wunder en Sally. En Rijntje. En Uniek. Ze willen nou echt naar binnen. Ze zijn ook klaar met het ruimwetter. Kom! Oh, even rustig. Oh. Uniek, Rijntje, Sally en Wonder.